8 proven tactics to enhance landlord-tenant relationships, boosting rental success. Hi, I'm Richard from Always Property Management, managing rentals in the Manawatu and the Taurua region. Naturally, great landlord-tenant relationships benefits everyone. If tenants are happy, of course they're going to stay longer. So I'm going to go over 8 points to foster great working relationships. Number 1, of course, clear communication. So there's 3 points here, which means setting expectations from the start of a tenancy. Really important, so tenants know, for example, what they need to do, what's reasonably clean and tidy, what's accepted to get their bond back. Being accessible and responsive. Tenants need to know that you are contactable. Even if you're busy, you're going to get back to them. If they've got a query, they've got an issue, repairs and maintenance, it is important to respond to that in a timely fashion. And the last point for clear communication is use multiple communication channels. Email, phone and text. One to other ways to get hold of tenants, but say if you're texting or phoning, an email is great to confirm what you've spoken about, particularly if you're booking in, say, a routine inspection. By email, you're confirming the date, the time, what's expected when, for that inspection, and it just makes a heck of a difference. Number 2, respect privacy. Of course, give proper notice before entering the property and respect the tenant's personal space. Prompt repairs and maintenance. Nothing worse to get relationships the opposite of going really well. If tenants are frustrated, there's repairs and maintenance not being done quickly or not at all, and of course, so get it addressed quickly and follow up to make sure it has been done. One, before you pay the bill, that the job's done properly and the tenants are happy. 4 is be fair and consistent. I've discussed this in other blogs. Tenants are customers, so treat all tenants equally. Be transparent about policies and procedures. And what's a good example there is if you're signing a new tenant up and you're declaring healthy home standards, and say you've got 120 days to get something that's not compliant. Say there's a couple of windows that have got drafts and they've got to be repaired. You explain that to them. You're upfront with them. It makes a huge difference. It builds trust and it builds rapport. So, number 5, show appreciation. Recognise good tenants. If they're taking good care of your property, they're paying the rent, they're doing everything right. Consider small gestures like a gift card for Christmas, or you might know their birth date, or it's just to say, hey, really appreciate what you're doing. Or you could look at a minor upgrade. If a tenant's requested something that's not big cost and it will improve your property, and it's not a too onerous thing, why not do that? Number 6, being professional. Obviously, if things get a bit difficult situation, keep calm, try to remain courteous, keep emotions in check. Is really important. Now, this is a little bit harder if the property is yours, and particularly if you've lived in it, because your own emotions and you see it not being lived the way that you're in it. So just make sure that you do keep that in check. It's really important. Number 7, if regular inspections, routine inspections are another way to affirm your tenants. Even if it's positive and there's and there's something that you're not 100% happy with and cleaning or something, say, hey, look, this looks really great. And however, and it's just a great way to enter in a positive way, affirm them where you can. If tenants are at home, it's an excellent opportunity to face-to-face interaction, and it does build rapport. Number 8, final point, be proactive. Anticipate any potential issues before they become problems. Around repairs and maintenance, could be slippery deck or something like that. Get it done. Look at it and get it sorted. You don't want someone slipping on a deck or having an accident. So just be aware of that. Stay updated on local law and regulations. Really important, because you're ahead. You can make sure that you're serving your tenants really well. So, hey, in conclusion, just remember, good communication is the key to a successful rental. Happy tenants stay longer, which makes your rental more profitable. I hope that helps. We'll catch you next time. Making life easier for landlords is what we do.